demand and metals visibility. Let's get the management on. We are joined by Mr. P.K Jain, a whole-time director and group CFO, Sarda Energy and Minerals. Good morning, Mr. Jain. Welcome to the show. There is a decline in EBITDA and profits year on year. Just wanted to understand first, what are the key reasons behind this, and can we expect a subsequent recovery in Q4?
Yes, there will be recovery in the Q4. Q3 profits are impacted mainly on account of two reasons. One is the annual maintenance shutdown of our IPP, the 600 megawatt thermal power plant. One unit was under shutdown in this quarter, and another is a shutdown of our one unit of the captive power plant for a replacement. Both are planned maintenances which have come together. That has affected the volumes in this particular quarter and affected EBITDA level for the quarter. Next quarter will be definitely far better.
Right. Mr. Jain, also there is a decline in your margins on a year-on-year basis. What kind of pressures loom over the EBITDA margins specifically?
EBITDA margin, there are two critical factors. One is the hydropower. Hydropower is seasonal business. So our consolidated revenues include a hydropower business, which gives the maximum EBITDA in the second quarter, that is July to September. That is one of the factors. And another is the otherwise also IPP, our thermal power also is a substantial contributor in the EBITDA. And third quarter generally remains subdued in this season. So power prices in up until November was very, very low. And in thermal power generation, continuously there have been a reduction in the demand until November. From December, the demand has picked up again. So overall demand in the thermal power was low. That has affected the revenue realization. But now we have entered into a medium-term and long-term contract for about 300 megawatt of power, which will give clear visibility into the profitability for the future from this segment.
All right, Mr. Jain, just wanted to understand also, is the company on track to maintain the annual targeted PLF of 80%?
Yeah, company is on track to maintain the PLF of 80%. We'll be able to achieve the targeted PLF.
Right, Mr. Jain, also in FY26, company has an estimated capex of around 500 odd crores, 5 to 600 odd crores. What is the current status of the capital deployment? Is it in line with this guidance?
Yeah, it is in line with this guidance. We have already invested more than 450 crores, and we will be crossing the targeted capex of 500 crores comfortably. It should be in the range of somewhere about 600 crore plus only for the year.
Sure. Earlier, company has indicated that the solar power plant is expected to start operations by the end of current financial year. Is the company on track to follow this plan?
No, it may be delayed by 1 quarter because the contractor was Jameson. Now things are in our control, but yes, it has got delayed for some or other reason. And now things are in control and we should be able to commission in the next quarter.
Right. Also, Mr. Jain, in light of the recent announcement on the trade deals, what impact do you anticipate on your international market exposure?
International market, it may not directly affect us from the trade deal, but yes, indirectly, with the trade deals, definitely the industrial activities will go up, and that will create demand for the steel, and that is clearly reflected in the recent improvement in the prices. Steel prices in the last 1.5 months have seen increase of 10 to 15%.
All right. Let's also understand your budget feedback in light of the tailwinds around the power sector announced by the Government of India.
Yeah, one is the carbon credit utilization fund. They have given 20,000 crores for carbon credit utilization. That will help the steel industry to bring the newer technologies to reduce the carbon footprints. That is one measure, and another is 12 lakh crore on the infrastructure that is creating demand for the steel, which is clearly reflected into the demand side of the steel.
Right. One final question, Mr. Jain. Your energy segment continues to contribute almost 2/3 to profitability despite the seasonality and the planned maintenance. Do you see that mix changing going ahead?
Yeah, mix will definitely move, changing towards energy side. Energy percentage is gradually going up, and in the future also we foresee from here the energy segment will grow up in percentage terms also. From here also it will improve.
All right, with that, thank you so much, Mr. Jain, for taking time out and answering all the questions. Thank you.